Alright, do it again. Dance moves. Woo! What else can you do? Can you twirl? Good. Oh, that was a good one. What else can you do?
No.
What do you do in stretch and grow?
No.
Do you lift your leg?
Yeah.
Stand on one foot?
I can't do that.
Do you do bicep, tricep? What's that?
Bicep,
Tricep.
tricep, bicep,
Very,
tricep, bicep.
very good. What else do you do? How do you cough? Very good. How do you sneeze? Very good. Why? Why do you do it that way?
No.
So you don't spread your germs?
Yeah. We don't share our germs.
Don't share our germs.
Because only who wash our hands and share our toys.
Yep.
Don't put it on our chairs.
Your germs on your chairs?
No.
Ew. What else do you do in stretch and grow?
No.
You don't know?
I'm a circle. I need a circle.
You get in a circle?
Yeah. That's right there.
Taylor gets in a circle?
Yeah. He got one, but look mine.
I don't know. Right, you all done?
Yeah.
You have any more dance moves?
No! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Oh, where'd you go? Alright, say bye.
Bye!